Hi everyone, just doing my reflection for our copyright and safety. Um, I don't know if I've ever experienced it myself. I'm sure I have. I know I've downloaded stuff illegally or done some other like downloading music, copyright, and taking stuff off of disc, other things like that. Um, but not really recording TV shows or anything like that. But I have done a few things. I know I've had some teachers where they record something, and I had a teacher in junior high. She'd record some from like the '60s. No, no, sorry, like this '80s, '90s. Showed it like every single year. Through stuff like that. I know that I've seen videos in our library storage where we've had people that like recorded inaugurations and different things like that. Um, but I don't know necessarily if they've done it intentionally or they probably just do it just to do it, just to have something to show. I know in college I had a lot of teachers that showed videos about different things that kind of went with what they were doing. But it was like DVD parts, so they like take the part of the DVD out, but then it shows that scene or whatever it was. Um, but I don't think necessarily they're doing it intentionally. They probably didn't know they were breaking rules. There's some things that I didn't know that were technically breaking rules. And I thought there's other things that were when you break a rule, but you really weren't. I also took the quiz. I think I got like a 70 something if I remember right. There's a lot of things on there I was surprised about, and there's other things I was not. But it was a pretty cool quiz. I think I learned a lot from that. I hope everyone else did too. But we're coming down to the end, so hopefully everyone else is doing pretty well in the class and have a good rest of your semester.